Imagine holding the power of a giant movie studio in the palm of your hand. For years, photographers had to make a choice. You could have speed, or you could have detail. You could never have both. If you wanted to shoot a fast football game, you bought one camera. If you wanted to shoot a massive billboard, you bought another. But the year 2026 is here, and Sony is about to break the rules of physics. The rumors are no longer whispers. They are a roar. The Sony A7R VI is coming, and it is not just an upgrade. It is a total rebirth of what a camera can be. This is the moment where the wall between resolution and speed finally falls down. Sony is tired of making you choose. They want to give you the detail of a medium format monster and the speed of a professional sports camera in one single body. It sounds like a dream, but the patents and leaks tell us a very different story. This camera is designed to be a knockout punch to every other brand on the market. The heart of this revolution is the sensor. There's a massive debate happening right now about which path Sony will take. The first path is a 67 megapixel stacked sensor. Now, on paper, 67 doesn't sound much bigger than the 61 megapixels we have in the A7R V. But the secret isn't the number. The secret is the word stacked. Most sensors are like a single-story house where data has to travel a long way to get out. A stacked sensor is like a skyscraper. The memory is built right onto the back of the sensor itself. This allows data to move at light speed. This matters because it kills the rolling shutter effect. If you have ever filmed a fast car and saw it look tilted, that is rolling shutter. High-resolution cameras usually struggle with this because they are slow. By using a stacked design, Sony is making a camera that can shoot 30 frames per second at massive resolutions. It sees the world as fast as the human eye, but with 10 times the detail. Then there is the second rumor, the one that is making the internet lose its mind. Some leaks suggest a 102 megapixel sensor. This is a massive jump. Most pro cameras today sit between 24 and 45 megapixels. Moving to 102 megapixels puts Sony in the territory of medium format cameras. These are the giant, expensive tools used for high-end fashion and massive billboards that usually cost $10,000 or more. If Sony puts this into a standard alpha body, they are declaring war. They're telling the world you don't need a bulky, overpriced system to get world-class detail. You can fit in your backpack. You can take it on a hike. You can use it at a wedding. This gives photographers incredible freedom. Imagine taking a photo of a mountain range and zooming into a single flower on that mountain. With 102 megapixels, that flower would still be sharp. It allows you to find a photo within a photo during the editing process. But with this much power comes a big challenge. We have to talk about the glass. A lens is like a window. If the window is blurry, it doesn't matter how good your eyes are. Most older lenses were made for lower resolutions. When you put them on a 102 megapixel sensor, you start to see every flaw. You see softness and purple fringes. Sony has been busy updating their G Master series for this exact reason. These lenses are designed for the future, but 102 megapixels pushes them to the absolute edge of physics. To make the A7R VI truly shine, Sony might have to release even better lenses. It is a never-ending cycle. Better sensors need better glass, and better glass allows for even better sensors. For landscape photographers, this is the most exciting time in history because they're getting a tool that sees more than the human eye ever could. Why is Sony pushing so hard right now? It is because the competition is fierce. Nikon changed everything with the Z8 and Z9. Canon is pushing the limits with the R5 series. For a long time, Sony was the clear leader, but the gap is closing. Nikon sensors are incredibly fast, and Canon colors are beautiful. Sony needs a knockout punch, and the A7R VI is that punch. They are creating a camera with no weaknesses. In the past, the R line was slow and mostly for tripods. If these rumors are true, you could take this camera to a professional football game and shoot sports at 67 megapixels. That is unheard of. It changes the entire workflow of every professional on Earth. It also means the death of the mechanical shutter. Just like a Nikon Z9, the A7R VI might move to a completely shutterless design. Moving parts break and make noise. Without them, this camera becomes a silent assassin. You could stand in a quiet church and take high-res photos without anyone hearing a single click. This isn't just about megapixels. It is about this safety net. Think about a wedding photographer. You take one wide shot of the ceremony. With 102 megapixels, that one shot contains 50 other shots inside it. You can crop into the rings, the mother's eyes, or the texture of the flowers later. Some people call this lazy, but for a professional, a safety net is worth its weight in gold. Of course, this technology won't be cheap. High-resolution stacked sensors are the hardest components to manufacture. The price tag will be premium. However, Sony wants this to be the only camera you ever need. They want to end the two-body system, where you carry one slow camera for detail and one fast camera for action. To make this work, the autofocus has to be perfect. Sony is already the king of tracking, but the A7R VI is going further. We're hearing about AI chips that see skeletons. The camera will understand the human body and predict movement. It will know where a person's head is even if they turn around. At 100 megapixels, if your focus is off by even a millimeter, the image looks soft. That is why the AI must be flawless. This camera is a laboratory for Sony. Even if you don't need 100 megapixels today, this technology will trickle down to your smartphone in 5 years. For the professional, it's a tool to stay ahead. For the hobbyist, it's a dream. The A7R VI is also becoming a video monster. We are hearing rumors of 10K video capabilities. Processing that many pixels every second creates massive heat. Sony is working on new ways to keep this small body cool while it handles billions of pixels. This is the future of cinema in a compact form. Whether you're a stills photographer or a video creator, the roadmap is clear. Sony is pushing physics to the limit and refusing to play it safe. My opinion? If Sony pulls off a stacked 102 megapixel sensor, it will be the greatest camera ever made. It will be the end-game tool for anyone serious about imaging. It's not just a camera, it's a glimpse into the future. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the future of tech.